Alright guys, what is going on? Vermix here. Make sure I'm dying here. Alright. We'll be installing it's called the welcome door lights. Show you guys in a second how it looks. Look at the keys. Okay, good. I remember to get the keys. Let me see. Oh yeah, so that fog light's dead. This one's still good. Yeah. This tire marker's dead too. It didn't let me on the computer. It's supposed to be like this. Alright. Show you guys the door we're changing. The lights we're changing are these right here. So we're gonna change them to say Mercedes on the ground. So it's not just plain red. It'll be the nice ones. There's these right here. Let me unbox them and show you guys how they look like. Let me go on the driver's side. It's a little cold. I'll keep the running. There we go. All right. Oh, so it does say check. Parking lamp. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna turn this thing down before I get copyrighted. Alright, so we're gonna unbox these or unbag these. These were on eBay for they're pretty cheap, like 40 bucks, I believe. Supposedly they're LEDs, so it's light. No, this plastic bag noise is annoying. There we go. These right here. I believe this one goes to the left. Actually, it doesn't really matter which door it goes to. They're all the same size. Yeah, let me turn the butt warmers on. And then the heat on hot. There you go. Alright, so let me open the door. Show you guys how it's going to be right there. It should really pretty much just fit right in. And I'll wait till it gets a little darker. It is a little lighter out. But I'm going to wait until it's a little darker and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so turn this volume down. When you open the door, you're gonna see the Mercedes logo. And then when you open the door, it's on the ground. But it's still light right now. You can't really tell. So you can kind of see in the cement right there. And my hands right there. And this is Mercedes-Benz. And the squeaky belt. You can still hear the little squeaky belt. Yeah, so I bought all these lights for all 4 doors, which we're about to install. And we're going to install on the other side as well. And then I got them right here, the rest of them. So this is the original one. So you guys can see it's just a little light bulb. And then we're going to have him saying what's nice Mercedes. So let's get it, guys. We got a bunch of snow up in here and see if we can take it down. Well, I guess we did. There we go. Here we go. You got that one out. It's literally just simple. You just put the screwdriver in there, just pop it out. Oh, this is the old one. Get the new one out of the bag. This little bag right here. Oh, there's a bag. There we go. Alright, what we'll do next is literally just hit the button right there, pops right out. Next we'll put that in, but I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second. Hopefully I don't drop you guys, but I'm plug it in from here. Okay. Hook it up. and just pop it back in. There you go. Hey, right now it's off, obviously, because the door has to be opened. I can show you guys. Okay, it didn't turn on now because I guess the battery turned off. Okay, that one's still on. I don't know why this one's not on. There we go. Why does this one say AMG? What the heck? This one says AMG. Oh no, don't tell me I got Mercedes AMG. What the heck? Please don't tell me I got AMG in this one too. Can't really tell until I put it in, but I definitely don't want it to say AMG because it's not an AMG car. Alright guys, what is going on? Brandmax here. Today I'm going to start the video off, I guess, with me. And since I don't really start much videos with them, today we're going to do some simple mods. We're going to be adding a cap to the remote. So this is the original remote, if you guys can see. It looks kind of old, but still looks decent. Next here we have some headlights. We're going to be installing some nicer headlights than the ones I have stock right now, which look orange or like yellowish. But yeah, so let's get on with the install, guys. I'm sure you guys the cap actually. Here's the cap. Pretty much just black and like chrome. The buttons are also like chromey. I'll show you guys once I install. This could be very simple. You just clip it onto the keys, and then I'm gonna have to remove it out of the little hole thingy, and then see how it looks. Alright guys, so first step will be to remove this key part, which you just simply pull back this tab right here with your nail and pull it, and just pops right out. So this is the piece that we're gonna be putting on. And then this is the original key fob, so this is the before. Okay, so here is the final outcome. Looks good, like you can see, no scratches at all. The only problem is I don't like the chrome that much, and then there's a gap right here, which is what happens when you order like a $6 part, but I don't know if I like it that much. Just one clip down. I might heat it up a little bit and see what happens, but this is how it looks. What do you guys think? Might take it off though. Yeah. Okay, so next things up is the light bulbs, which I'm gonna show you guys with the keys outside. We're gonna be installing the light bulbs. So these are more like bluish colored. Go to focus. So this are gonna be more like bluish colored ones. So for the tail lights, I mean, sorry, headlights, not tail lights. And then this is specific for Mercedes. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. So it's pretty simple. I've done this before, and I gotta change my fog lights too. So I was expecting the fog lights to come in today so I could do headlights and fog lights, but it didn't come yet. So yeah, let's take you outside and open the hood up. I guess to install the headlights is pretty easy, at least on the right one. The left one, you do have some wires right here. So you're gonna try to pull that cap off, which that's where the headlight is. But this thing's on the way, so I don't have a flathead screwdriver to remove this, so I'm gonna try to do it with my hands. See how it goes, but you can still twist it off from here. Let's see if I can get it on camera. If not, I'm gonna have to put it down. This thing keeps bugging though. Okay, let's see if I can twist it. Okay. Got the lid though, but now to remove the bulb. So kind of tricky. So there's the bulb. And then just undo it. Alright, so I was able to remove the bulb. You just had to remove that wiring harness. Just pull it out. And then to remove the bulb, you have to squeeze this part and it literally just comes off. Here's the old bulb. Still good, so I'm gonna save it in case it dies one day. And then I can just swap it out until I order the new one. And then here, let me remove the new one from that box right there. Alright, so I'm showing you here the comparison between the bulb, the halogen one, and then the xenon one. Alright, so let's get it on. I'll show you guys. Just pop it back in. And this is the power steering fluid, which I gotta check. Because every time I'm moving the steering wheel, it shakes. So I just gotta make sure it has enough fluid. If not, we can just add some. But before, I gotta do some research before I open it, because I don't want air going in here. And then messing the system up even more than it is. Alright, so let's pop this one in. I'll show you guys. See if we're able to go like this. Okay. Maybe be careful right here. I don't want to drop the bulb. Alright, so after seeing the wire, it's not the right one. You can see it's just a pin, or the bulb just goes in. So these are for the xenon ones, which these are not. These are halogen ones, which I thought they were, but they're not. So I guess this one's going back in here. These are for the xenon models only. This is the halogen model one, so that's great. Which means I'm gonna have to stick with the same ones. But at least I make some content. You know, at least I'll make the mistake I did. Yeah, not to reinstall these again without breaking it.